Let's get our hands dirty with the LaserMaster Versatile. Here, a visitor brought some stainless steel to play around with. So let's enjoy some stainless steel welding and cutting. For more info on the LaserMaster, or if you want to come and do some tests of your own, just give sales a call on 060 600 6000.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC rotors, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montenegro Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.